Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to put text behind the object in Canva. Right now, as you can see, we are into Canva and we have just selected a blank template, right? And here we are going to elements in the left side toolbar, and here we will simply search for beach, right? And going to photos, and there are lots of photos of the beach, right? I want to create a good image, so I have selected this one, and now we are going to remove the background. Okay, and we are going to add one more image, right? And we are just going to set image as background, and this one is our another image, right? Now let us increase the size of image so that it coincides with the first image. Okay, it's done, right? Now we are going to add a text. So I have clicked on the text in the left side menu, and here I am going to type family, select the family text, change the color to white and increase the size, right? And now I am going to move it over here, right? And we are going to effects, follow, right? And now we are going to send it to back. So in layers, send backward. So in this way you can simply send the text behind an object in Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button right now and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.